In today's video, I'm going to be going over how you guys could actually trade meme coins with $0. Now, yes, you heard me right, $0. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to make money online and then use that to be able to trade meme coins. Now, a lot of people know that you can make 100x in seconds on meme coins, or you can lose it all. That's why most of the time you don't actually want to risk your own money. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you don't have to and how you can actually use what I teach you in this video to basically risk-free trade meme coins. Now, this is also really good because instead of just having pure luck, you will build some skill and you'll be able to make a profit on meme coins year after year. And believe it or not, I was actually able to start trading meme coins with $0, and I used this strategy to kind of build a base. So with that being said, how are you going to start trading meme coins with $0? Let's go over it. Alright guys, so how are we actually going to make some money trading meme coins? Now, the first thing I'd recommend is you guys probably have junk laying around your house or something like that. And I'd recommend literally just selling as much stuff as you can in real life that you don't need. And basically you're getting rid of stuff you already weren't using. So for example, let's say you have some shirts that you don't use. You could probably get 50 or 100 bucks out of that. And honestly, to start trading meme coins, you only really need 4 to 5 Solana. And when it's money that you don't really need to survive, then it's much easier to start trading meme coins with this. But let's say you don't even have things that you can sell online, like anything that you don't need in real life. Well, then what you can do is actually, sort of meet new people and basically beg for money. Now, people literally do this to me all the time in the comments. People do this all over X. And the reason they're doing this is because it works. Now, yes, you may not want to do this, but if you don't want to get a job, this is exactly what you can do. Now, obviously, I would say start some other, side hustle. This can also help. But for the time being, I would say you just want to make sure you are begging people on X and trying to meet as many people as possible. Now, you can also do this by going to Axiom, looking at new coins, going into the community, and basically just sort of making banners for coins or making, art for coins, and then asking for a tip from the creators. Now, a lot of the time, people are really rich, or people have a lot of money who are trading meme coins for the most part. Now, me myself, I've had some people make me art, send it in here, and I've actually tipped them, 0.1, 0.2 Solana. So if you're actually good at making art, you can also just kind of help out communities. Now, the third way to actually make money, and it's probably the best way, is to actually launch your own coins. Now, you do need $0 to do this. I think you may need like 0.1 Solana just in your wallet for like the 10-cent fee. But basically, it's $0, and you can launch as many coins as you want. And every time someone actually trades your coin, you will make money. So let's say your coin goes to 10K market cap. On average, you should actually make around $30 just from that. And that's honestly really, really easy to do. I have some videos on how to launch your own meme coin, so you guys can go check that out. But now that you have saved some money up and you actually have, let's say, around 3 Solana, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade this and not lose it all. Because now that you have this money, you don't want to lose it. You want to build your skills and actually, use this money and grow your portfolio. So for this video, I'm going to be loading up 3 wallets with around 1 Solana each and showing you guys how I would actually go about, trading with only 3 to 5 Solana. So let me just load these all up. So as you guys can see, we have these fresh wallets right here, and I'm going to be using these to trade. Okay, we have a little more than 1 Solana in these wallets, but honestly, you just need around 1 Solana. So as you guys can see right here, it shows that we have 3.8 Solana. Now let me show you guys how to actually trade. Now, a lot of you guys do ask me about my filters. Here are my filters real quick. I don't really want to waste time on that. But if you guys do have any more questions, I actually have a mentorship where I'm going to teach you how to go from nothing to making thousands of dollars per month trading meme coins. And a recent trade that I actually told my team to actually take is this War trade right here. Now, War is a very good coin. I would ape into this right now. If you guys see it below, 30 million, I think that it's still a no-brainer ape. And you guys can watch my short to see why I believe this. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to be doing some live trading and trying to show you guys my strategy when trading a meme coin. Now, let me just kind of tell you what I actually go over, or what I actually look for when I'm trading a meme coin, and I'll actually be taking some trades while I'm explaining it. Now, first off, I go over what is the trend or the narrative. So if you come over to Discover and you go to Trending and you sort by the last hour, you'll kind of see the most trending narratives. So right now it's RAM, which is basically, a RAM stick that you have for your computer. We got Poop Pill, free coin. And we have all of these, this platypus one, some lobsters, bully. So it's pretty random right now. There isn't a set in stone trend, but it's sort of ram or just kind of like funny coins that have a good narrative. So basically what I'm looking for is that exactly, something with a good narrative. So even this is a great narrative. The White House, the literal White House just posted, he's on fire, not just in the United States. So this is already like a great post that you can kind of follow. It is the literal White House posting a word that doesn't exist, but that's why it's funny. It's talking about the unifier, which is Trump, and then this image is good and the White House posted it. So if you were to have seen this early and got in at 4K, oh my god, that's like a 6x right there on your Solana. And this is how you build your portfolio. Just gotta find these narratives really easy and kind of hop on them quick. So we got freaky cactus. What the hell? Okay, this is a freaky. I don't know if this is too good of a coin, but it is kind of funny. This chart does kind of look bad. When a chart has a dev that buys and sells like this, and then the chart slowly climbs up, it's normally a scam. And also the narrative isn't really funny on this. It's not related to anything. It's just a funny video. So I'm just going to be looking around. We have Wolverine. This just came out. We're helping find people buried in the snow. Okay, this could be a good coin because it's based off one animal that is real. And basically it's this trained animal that helps find people in the snow. Now a lot of the times if I think a coin is good, I'll actually set a limit at a market cap I think is a good entry. So I'm going to be entering this with 2 Solana at 8K, and I'm actually going to make sure that the coin is legit and it actually has a community. So I'll just press this. It does actually have a community. Now I want to make sure that he posts this exact coin. So he still hasn't even posted the coin. So we're still waiting on that. But I still do think that this is a good coin to buy. So I'm just going to keep my limit there. And let's see. Do I know this guy? This is kind of what you got to do. You just got to look if the coin is legit. We can even come here, try and fact check it. The Wolverine. Is this real? Or is this not? Eye trending. Let's see. We almost got our entry. We're really hoping that it hits 8K. Wolverine digs through snow and avalanche. Oh yeah, so this is real. But it is a pretty old video. It's around 3 days old. But it's still getting some new tweets and likes and people posting about it. So I'm just waiting. Oh, we got our entry. So I'm just going to hold it for now. And we're praying that this guy who actually made the coin posts it in the community. So like you could see, it's already kind of going up. Now, did he post the CA yet? My X is kind of lagging, right? Oh, he posted it right here, actually. Now, is it the same CA? We want to make sure it matches. It does. So what I'm actually going to do is try and hold this. We have some famous people buying, which is what these little logos mean. This one sold, this guy bought. So I'll kind of want to wait for a 2x normally, but I could see this coin going higher. Now, like I said, I entered with 2 SOL, and I'm just going to wait it out. So we're already up 0.2 SOL. Now, if you ever want to know how much profit you're up, don't look at this, look over here. So now we're break even, and that's how you can actually accurately tell how much you're up on a coin. And now I do think this trend is kind of old. That's the only issue with this coin. So this is a higher risk play right here. And that's the only reason I'm not, as confident. So like you see, it went down. And that's only the first trade, so I'm not worried. This actually does happen a lot in meme coins. You might find a coin you think is good. It goes down, you lose money. But honestly, that's nothing to worry about. Because the whole thing is that you're holding for the high multipliers. Now you may lose 30% like I did, but when you're making 5 to 6x on average, it really makes way more money than when you lose money. Now that's something that you want to remember, is that when you're in a profitable trade, you're holding it for long so that you can make way more money to outweigh your losses. So I'll try and take like 1 or 2 more trades so you guys kind of see how I think about trades. Now we have monkey business. This is kind of funny. Popular reaction GIF blowing up on all socials. I've never seen this GIF, but apparently it's popular. Now remember, if anything is confusing in this video, you guys can apply for my mentorship. It's basically a one-on-one private mentorship, but I do have other members in there and we all live trade together and everything like that. So if you guys are ever confused about anything, make sure you guys check out the mentorship. Now this might be a good coin, but as you can see, it kind of got bundled over here because it never went down below 10K and then came back up, which means that it is pretty bundled. And we can also see that it says 40% bundle. Now this thing isn't always accurate, but for the most part, I would say it is pretty accurate. Now we're just gonna keep on scanning. I may enter this coin if it does come down to around 8K. We'll just do what I like to do always, is set the little limit over here, and we'll see what happens with that coin. But I'm just scanning. There is a lot of coins coming out, and how you know if there's good volume, if every 30 minutes there's like, you know, at least 10 coins bonding. Now as we could see, look at all these coins bonding, and they're kind of holding the market cap, which is really good. So this means that right now is an amazing time to trade. Now the coin, it looks like it's about to hit our entry. We just want to make sure it actually does and doesn't like dump or something. And I'm also going to be still looking for other coins. You can usually do this. Now a good way to do this, you press on the coin, right click it, and it'll open it in a new tab. This is a good way to scan multiple coins. As we can see, we still haven't gotten our entry, but you know, I want to stick to my strategy, which is usually below 10K is the only way I'm entering a coin, because we want those high multipliers. And as we can see, this is why we enter a lower market cap, because normally it will actually go down there to the lower market caps. Look at the holders, make sure that it's not really bundled. So this guy entered 15. This is a good sign. When they entered higher than the current market cap, means that it isn't really bundled. And I'm just going to keep on looking around until we get our entry. We have Ramsey following the meta, but I've seen it before. Yeah, this looks like it might hit our entry soon, but let's just keep on looking for a coin. Secret girl. I've seen this like 20 times, Ram. Oh wow, this one sent towards aping meme coins. I'm looking at this coin, rich motherfuckers. So I'm thinking if this coin comes down here, we might just full port it, see what happens. So we're hoping for this low entry. Oh, it says we don't have enough. It's not good. This coin's kind of actually going up and we missed our entry, but oh, look at this. A lot of famous people buying this coin. We're just gonna wait. Don't want to be entering it too high. Looks like someone paid Dex on monkey business. Oh, we're about to get our entry on this one. Okay, I'm gonna be Xing this one, and the only reason is because they paid Dex, which is usually a bad sign when they pay it that low, because it's probably bundled. So if they pay Dex really early like that, beware, it might be bundled, which means basically it's a scam. Still waiting on my entry for this. I think this might do really well, but that's why we're just waiting. I might have to full port this, see what happens. Really want this entry down here though. If it comes to at least like 9K, I might ape. Looks like we're about to get it. Come on, come to 8K. For me, bro. No, it's literally just a waiting game half the time trading meme coins. You gotta be patient and you gotta wait for your entry. Now this would have been a good coin to buy. It's already at 23K. US service dog. Just found USD1 animal. That one might have been good. It's sending it. Oh, let's see. Just wanna make sure that it's real before we buy it. And look at the holders. So it looks super bundled. As you guys can see, some of the people are all buying at 5K, 5K, 5K. Which could be pretty high risk. Oh, and this is super viral.
Dang, her tongue. Why is her tongue hanging out like that?
Oh, nice. We got filled on this. Already up a little bit. Okay, I still think, I have confidence in Ram. I mean, looks like we got the almost perfect entry. Look at that. Now my profit, I'm going to be shooting for 2x. Now sometimes I actually try to go for more than 2x, but for this coin, it's pretty high risk. It is following the narrative, but I also don't see like it kind of going farther than all-time highs really. Now if it does dump, yeah, that might be an issue, because high key needed it to go lower. I added here, but this is pretty high risk now, because like I just said, I don't really see this coin going any higher. I just want to see if anyone's active. Yeah, this coin might go to 0. Let's bond it. No info. Just bought. I thought this coin was pretty good, but obviously it didn't go as high as we wanted it. We only lost around 0.5, so we're actually not too bad right now. We're just waiting on a coin. Oh, I saw this coin too, bro. I keep seeing coins, but like, it's risky business. Got Doomsday. I'm gonna try and take one more trade for you guys and, you know, actually have a profitable trade. It's a little hard right now. Guaranteed profit unit. High risk trade right here, but I haven't seen a GPU coin yet. Yeah, monkey business is doing well. Humanoid. Chosen one. Never seen this, but I felt like Ram was better than this coin, but it's so low now. Just don't really see it going any higher. Might just have to all into Ram, bro. Pray that somebody sends that. I guess we'll see what happens with Ram. Maybe it reverses Let me just get a quick little trim. Let's see. Oof, it's the reality of trading. Now we're down to 2.6. So what I'm actually gonna do is put the money into one wallet, because trading on multiple wallets actually does cost more fees. I'm just gonna put it all into one wallet so that we can enter trades with more money and we're using less on fees, because honestly fees are kind of killing us as well. Got the Big Short too. Now I'm just waiting for one more coin. Damn, damn. Oh wait, damn, this one's sent too. Humanoid, the chosen one. Let's see, I might enter this one, but we need it to get a better entry. 15 is just too high right now. Let's see what the breaking. Insane, what could it be? Oh yeah, this video is super recent. The 2015 video. So this is a super old video. Oh, that one's fake. It's too old. When a post is old, it's not good. Rainbow coin. Dude, I keep missing these senders. Like, this is just an easy sender. Humanoid is just, it's kind of dumping now. Lesson in there. Dang, it's not sent. I might enter this, but like I said, this shit is super old, which means that it's pretty low chance that it actually goes up. This shit is wild. Like a geek, bro. This might go higher. I'm gonna just ape 2, bro. This is like a YOLO play. Gotta see what happens. The oldest and greatest meme. Oh, I'm gonna sell this. It's apparently the oldest RAM meme. I'm just gonna scout this one, see if we can get an entry on this. I actually think this meme is really good. I'm gonna just enter here. Yo! Nah, they're tracking my wallet, bro. Nah, they're tracking my wallet. What is that? Yo, I quit this challenge, bro. I'm entering normal. I'm entering more on some side wallets, bros. They're tracking my wallet, bro. What is that? Bro, my old ting is rolling up a Java. Huh. Well, guys, we ended up losing money, so I'm gonna end the video there.